Hello again, guys. Another stupid change by Autodesk in the latest November 10 update of Fusion 360. Apparently, they thought it was a good idea to put electronics design as the standard one, when barely any users, compared to design users, actually use Fusion for this. So, how do you fix this? Well, you go to your preference menu, preferences, and then you find the option called default design type, and you change that to design instead. Then you press apply and OK, and then you just restart your Fusion. And then you start up with your trusty old layout just like you did before. I just got confused when I started up now earlier because I was like, did I lose all my features? Did something happen? No worries, everything there is just the layout is messed up by default. I don't know why Autodesk do these weird things. It's like they are saving the image of Autodesk with all these settings in a certain parameter, and it's just messing up the perspective of the users. Stop it, Fusion. Stop it, Autodesk. Ah, fucking cough. I'll call it here. Thank you, and see you in the next one.